Myself Alfia James. I'm an international para badminton player. I'm so happy I came to para badminton in 2022 and in 2 years I have won 8 medals in international level.